The capital city of God's own country, Kerala, Trivandrum has amazingly managed to keep itself different from any usual capital city. Being built on 7 hills, this evergreen city of South India is an ideal retreat. It is India's largest city in the deep south and has historically been a cultural hub in South India due to the development of arts, architecture, and liberal customs. Not just that, there's a lot to know about the development of the city. To know more about how Trivandrum made itself different from other capital cities, stay tuned. But before we begin, please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Smart City Projects. Entry into the Smart City list has perhaps been the most important achievement of the city last year. After losing the chance in the first 2 rounds, the city made a remarkable comeback to top the list of 30 cities selected in the 3rd round. The citizens actively participated in providing suggestions for the 1500 crore rupees mega project that is going to change the face of the city in the next 5 years. During the launch of Smart City projects, a decision was taken to implement 11 fast-track projects including solid waste management at the source, smart bus stops, multi-level parking lots, shifting of various utility lines to underground ducts, e-auto projects, skywalk and bicycle ways. South's hottest IT hub. Trivandrum is a major IT hub in India and contributes around 55% of Kerala's total software exports. Trivandrum houses major multinational technology companies like Oracle Corporation, Nissan, Aliens Technology, TCS, Infosys, Toons Animation India, Navigant and Quest Global, etc. Technopark is the largest information technology park in India in terms of build-up area. Along with that, several new IT, biotechnology and industrial campuses like TechnoCity and Bio360 Life Sciences Park are under construction. Vizhinjam International Deepwater Multipurpose Seaport. It is a port that is under construction on the Arabian Sea coast at Vizhinjam in Thiruvananthapuram, and it has formed a separate company, Vizhinjam International Seaport Limited, as a special purpose government company that would act as an implementing agency for the development of the greenfield port. This total project expenditure is pegged at 6,595 crore rupees over 3 phases. Multi-level car parking facility. The Trivandrum City Corporation has laid the foundation for constructing the second multi-level car parking facility at Putharikandam. This project is the largest parking lot among the 3 proposed multi-level car parking projects in the city. The 6-storied parking facility will offer parking space to 210 cars and 240 two-wheelers. The construction work has been assigned to Sager Spintech Equipment Private Limited. Trivandrum Light Metro. Trivandrum Metro is a proposed rapid transit system in the city. The Trivandrum line will start from TechnoCity and terminate at Karamana, covering a distance of 22.537 km with 19 stations along with the old NH7. The project will be built in 3 phases and the estimated cost of this project is around 4,200 crore rupees. This project is expected to be operational in 5 years. For the implementation of this project, flyover bridges have to be constructed in the city. The construction of flyovers will facilitate the Trivandrum Light Metro project. Kerala Rapid Transit Corporation Limited is going to build flyovers at Srikaryam, Ullur and Pattam as preparatory works for the Light Metro project. The Thiruvananthapuram-Kasaragod Semi-High-Speed Rail Corridor. A semi-high-speed rail project is to be built across the Kochuvalli-Kasaragod Rail Corridor, and it has been a dream project for the Kerala government. The survey found that the project can recoup 6% of its cost every year, especially after linking Trivandrum and Kochi airports. Kerala Railway Development Corporation Limited has been formed for the implementation of the project. Total expense including that of land acquisition comes to rupees 56,000 crore rupees. The trains will primarily run on solar energy and also will reduce 1.8 lakh metric tons of carbon emissions by slashing road transport on the route by 21%. Trivandrum Airport Expansion. The increasing number of international tourists and passengers to Kerala prompted the decision to add another terminal to the Trivandrum Airport. The Airport Authority of India is planning to construct a new terminal of around 40,000 square meters, which would spruce up the city airport to a 72,500 square meter integrated terminal. The budgeted cost of this project is 2.45 billion rupees, but it is expected that it will reach 3 billion rupees by the time of completion. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Thiruvananthapuram is a major aerospace research center in India. The Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, the most significant and leading center of ISRO, and several space-related state-owned ISRO centers such as Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, Liquid Propulsion Systems Center, and ISRO Inertial Systems Unit are located in Thiruvananthapuram. The BrahMos Aerospace Trivandrum Limited is one of the leading missile integration and defense production units in India. This is all about Trivandrum, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching Fandesi. Hope you all liked it. Hit the like button if you really liked the video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. We'll meet you very soon in our next video. Until then, have a great time.